Find equation of parabola whose focus is 1, -1 and vertex is 2, 1. This is again not in standard form because my focus or vertex does not lie on x-axis or y-axis, they are somewhere else. So we have to solve this type of questions by the basic concepts. Basic concepts means if this is the parabola, this is the focus, this is the vertex, and here it is a directrix. In this case, focus S is given as 1, -1. Now consider this is not origin. This is the axis of parabola. This is 1, -1, and this is the vertex 2, 1. I am denoting it 2, 1. So we know that VS, because it is a point on the parabola, this must be equal to VS is equal to VA. So I can calculate by midpoint formula point A. The basic idea is I will calculate here equation of the directrix. Once I know the directrix, I know the focus, I can easily calculate equation of the parabola. So for that calculating of equation of directrix, I need two things. I need slope of this line, which I can calculate, it is perpendicular to VS, and I need a point A. Point A, I can use the midpoint formula here. So let us consider A. Let A is alpha, beta. This is alpha, beta, and this is the midpoint. So alpha plus 1 upon 2 must be equal to 2, and beta minus 1 upon 2 must be equal to 1. So this will give you alpha is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. And from here you will get beta is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. That means vertex is this point A. A is 3, 3. Now I will calculate slope of line AS. Slope of line AS. Y2 minus Y1, line AS same as slope of line VS. They are the collinear points. So this will be how much? Y2 minus Y1. So y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 1. I'm taking this as x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 upon minus 1 minus 2 upon minus 1 is equal to 2. So this directrix, so slope of directrix, this M perpendicular to this line. So my required slope M will be equal to minus 1 upon 2. So equation of directrix, now I can write easily. Equation of directrix. It is passing through this point 3, 3. Slope I have calculated of this line. M is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This point I know A, 3, 3. So equation will be y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into x minus 3. So 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 3, or x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix. Now I know the equation of directrix. So in the previous problems, or so many problems we have done of this type now, PS is equal to PM. This is standard form. So you can easily calculate. Apply PS is equal to PM. This is the basic concept now. So we can easily solve equation of this parabola, squaring both. So we will get x minus 1 square plus y plus 1 square is equal to, now distance of this line from this point, P point, as usual is always a variable point x, y. So this will be x plus 2y minus 9 upon under root of 1 plus 4 whole square. This we can simplify. This is the answer of this question.